There is a game he has been playing with the boys and the Government Degree College. And
Hello Rajkumar, how are you?
Fine, what about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What you say about our college activities and college schedule?
Our college, about college. I'm at that time I have see all activities good and everything is going good in our college. All teachers are good and they are teaching us in a good way and tell us something about life cycles and teach us physics math and in good way. And we are there are many students in college which are coming daily ways on the day by day and our daily activity by sir when from which day sir Rauf in our come in our college the the background and the whole changing come in college because this is only for because of sir Rauf. Sir Rauf college completely some years ago there's no rule of dresses, there's no rule of daily coming and there's no rule of period times xyz. But when sir Rauf will come here and he changed the rule complete. He set up the dress for the students and set up the time period, set up the rules for the college that there no one can go out during the period because this is a this is not right. When we study good and we can try to do something then we can try to make our college best. This is due to only sir Rauf.
Have you seen the equality in our college, the equality in students and the equality of studying level or studying manners? Have you seen or not?
Yes, I have seen this. That there are many activities done there, but all for all they are equal.
It's good. He was Mr. Rajkumar who said about the Jay Kumar. Sorry, I take my words back. He was Jay Kumar who said something about the college.
hello, Mr. Nisar Pari. And we are at the time before the assembly at the ground of the Government Degree College. There is a boy playing a very high confidently. They have not practice about the game. So what you want to say about these boys? These are